morning everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a little spiral paw, but I want to try and do the spiral paw a little bit differently, and I'll show you what I mean when we get down onto the little spinner. We've put it on a spinner, so come along and I want to see if I can make the spiral paw easier. So come along and join me. Let's see if we can simplify the spiral paw. Come along. Okay, I am here. So what I've done is I have randomly layered some colors into a cup, and I've just put a little canvas on my spinner. Now what I want to try is, when you do a spiral paw, you spiral, 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 and then you go closer, closer, and slower, slower in the middle, and you're trying to get the middle of your spiral to be absolutely perfect. You don't want any, wobbly lines in the center. You want it to be a proper spiral, starting in the middle and spiraling, But it's very difficult to get this middle part to be absolutely perfect. It's actually very difficult. I battle with that. So what I want to try and do is pour a spiral paw, but not finish it in the middle. We'll pour it and we'll see where we go, but I don't want to finish the spiral paw in the middle. I want it to have a spiral, but just finish it somewhere along the edges of the painting, which is going to get, spun off at the end anyway. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. So here we go. So I've got lots of colors in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in a spiral. Okay. And when I get a pretty middle, like that doesn't look bad, then I'm just going to go around the edges. Like the middle looks okay, and now I'm just going to go around the edges. Okay, I'll just try and get some paint onto these corners. Come on. Very bright colors in here, and just put some paint on these corners. Just like that. Okay, try and get the middle to the middle. Right, let's spin it. Okay, and bring the paint down that way. Wow, I love the colors. So yeah, it's not quite a spiral paw, it's more of a ring paw. But I do love the colors. I do like this, and I do believe this would work on a bigger canvas, Like this canvas is really small, and I did have a lot of paint on here. Yeah, I think it's very pretty. There's some 24 karat gold popping through. That's very pretty. Yeah, I do like it. I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to do anything with it. I do like it. So let me take it off the spinner and just put it on some cups. And then I will bring you down and give you a close-up. But yeah, this is just more of a spiral, a ribbon pour. It's not much of a spiral pour, but anyway, I do like it. I think I will try this again with a bigger canvas one day, because I do believe it'll work and it will make it easier. But in the meantime, come on. In the meantime, I do like this little painting. Okay, I can just stay there. And take the gloves off. I think let me just hit it with a heat gun quick. Okay, right, I'm going to bring you down and give you a quick close-up. Hold on. So here it is. I mean, it's really cool. Really cool. Beautiful coloring in it. There's the gold popping through. You can see it there and there. And a little bit in there. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I don't know if you can actually see how bright it is. There's no sun outside. Maybe, let me try and put this light on and see if that helps. Hold on. No, makes no difference at all. Maybe if I put the flash on, hold on. I think you can see it a little bit better. It is very bright. I used neons and stuff in here, so it is bright, it is colorful. Yeah, so I do like it. Yeah, I am definitely going to keep it. We will try this spiral pour again. Like I said, some people battle with it, and me included. I battle with a spiral pour because you need to get the middle of the pour 100% right. I've got this one. I've got that one that we did, and put the flash off. And you can see my middle is not perfect at all. I mean, this isn't a very colorful spiral, but you can see my middle is not right. So yeah, it is something that I would like to simplify, because I do like spiral pours, but I just need to find a way to do it that the middle is easier. So we will try it again with a bigger canvas. But anyway, there we go. Lucky that I did get a beautiful painting out of today. Happy with that. So join me tomorrow. Tomorrow is, of course, St. Patrick's Day, so it's a bank holiday in Ireland, and I will be doing another painting tomorrow, so join me for that. And yeah, thanks everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.